All right, so doing the cabin air filter on a Ford Maverick. It's a pretty simple job. You just bring down your glove box, then you'll look over right here. You'll have this damper bracket that's got to come off. So just kind of gently pry this off, then it'll pop off just fine, just like that. And then on both sides, you'll see these two tabs here. There's one here and there's one on the other side. You're just going to push those in. The one on the other side, you're just gonna let that kind of come down. Now I accidentally did not record the clip of me removing the filter, but this is how you get to it. You have these two tabs on both sides. You're just going to carefully push that one back, carefully push this one back, pull it down, and then this is the way you remove and then install these filters. You want to make sure that your airflow is down like that. So you actually kind of need two hands to put them back in, but they come out just like this. And then that's how they go back in. And then these kind of like it when you rock them in a little bit, just like this. Takes a second, but you're just putting it in place like that. Make sure it's mostly flush. Put your lid back up, snap, snap. There you go. And now you can just put your glove box back in. Do that. Just kind of latch it back on and in place, just like that. Pull your damper out. That just clips back on. Both the tabs are back in place. And there you go. That's it. And here's the old filter. Pretty dirty. Some of that stuff was in the trash. I just pulled this thing out of the trash to show it to you guys. But that's the way it came out. Airflow arrow is pointing down. But I mean, you can see how dirty the pleats are. It needed to be changed. I would check it at least once a year, maybe every 6 months if you're in like a desert type environment where there's a lot of dust. It's good practice to just check these, because remember, all the stuff that these things clog up with that otherwise would be going into your lungs when you're using your climate control in the vehicle. So it's really good practice just to change these at least once a year, in my honest opinion. Stay tuned for more videos.